Hi, my name is John Gibson. I'm with All American Roofing, and today we're going to talk about the drip edge flashing. This is a critical part of the roof that ensures all water goes into the gutter. So please stick around to learn more. So today we're going to talk about drip edge. This is the first component of the roof shingle system that we install at the eave. This helps us get the roofing material 50 mil into the gutter. So we overhang the drip edge here over the plywood 40 mils, and that helps support the shingles to prevent them from drooping. And we overhang the shingles 10 mils past the drip edge to maintain that 50 mil into the gutter. All these drip edge flashings help to prevent and pull away the water from the edge of the roof and divert it into the gutter, and so it protects the edge of the plywood and the tail ends of the rafters. And these all correspond to the Australian Building Code and to the North American GAF installation guidelines.